back to another video. So this is kind of like a sequel or another video or that. So earlier this week, I tried to do a video. I did a video called Ultimate Biking Fail, and I tried to drive over that ditch over there, and then like I fell off my bike and I just wrecked. And so my friend Cory here,
hello people,
is going to try to go right back where I started and come back up and try it.
Yeah.
So, in the first video, the video started and I came flying down the path like from right there, but I actually started way up there. It just, I didn't really get an intro to it because we just filmed it and thought it was funny, so it's posted on YouTube. So let's get into it.
And do not try this at home, kids.
Oh yeah, please don't.
Like, you will totally get hurt.
Or maybe not, it's just, no one knows. Okay, so, Cory. Cory, turn back around and get some more speed. Go like to the very end of the road where the stop sign is. Go to where the stop sign is, dude.
Bro, all the way down there?
Yeah, that's where I started. Dude, stop being a wimp. Okay, come back around, try it.
I hate you, bro.
You wanted to try it, don't blame me.
No.
Chicken. Cory, come on. Cory, did you seriously? Oh my gosh. Cory, come on, stop chickening out.
Oh, I crushed my pants. Bro, but that actually doesn't.
Come on, it's been 3 minutes.
Yes?
Yes.
Good, keep this video rolling.
Okay then. Come on. I'm just gonna go ahead and sit down.
Yeah, I'm not going full speed on. Don't stop it yet.
Oh my gosh, Cory. Cory, go all the way to the end of the road.
Bro, no, that's gonna be like hurt. Okay. Basically, this is how it's gonna go, guys. We're just gonna ride the bike, and let's see who can go down the fastest. It's gonna be harder though.
Cory, since you're just try it. Come on.
Okay, we're gonna count 5 seconds. And that final punch.
Okay, you're coming back up.
That was 13 seconds. You gotta count on this to make it here. Okay.
Wait, what?
It's your turn. You gotta go to the pine shell.
The pine shell.
Uphill, right there. And, sorry guys. And to that post right over there. That electric post right there.
Oh, Cory, the
Pine shell post.
sorry if the video got like a little weird and the filmage was bad because like the sun got in my eyes and I couldn't see where I was pointing the camera.
Let's go, boys. Utica by Mississippi's going down to the electric post. Rollins. Oh, you're going farther. Like, don't stop pedaling. There we go. Okay, come back down. He just wants to be a little show off, but that's fine. Okay, here he comes. Go, go, go! You want to take Winnie on a little walk again? Because your mom let her outside.
Let's stop the video.
Huh?
Let's stop the video.
We have to keep going. It's YouTube, dude. You want to take her for a walk or no? Okay. Here, so since you're so tired, here, hold the camera. Hold the. Yeah.
Okay, so right now, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk our dog down the road. So yeah, sorry about my friend chickening out about jumping over the ditch, but I mean, everyone has their fears, so it's all right. But yeah, and this is our dog, Winnie.
She's not moving.
Hey, Winnie.
You're all good.
Come on.
Come on, Winnie. Let's go for a walk.
Winnie, come on.
Come on.
Come on,
Come on.
Winnie.
Come on. Come on. The people watching you. Come on. Yeah, let's just go on a walk by ourselves then.
Okay.
The dogs. Let's just go for the walk and then like come back and walk. Okay, so right now the dog doesn't want to come with us, so we're just gonna go. Just me and Rollins. So yeah, this should be fun. We're bringing you guys along. So there's your mom. Woohoo! When he's literally watching us, she's like, "You fools! You guys are literally gonna go on a walk just for YouTube." Like, I hate you. Okay, but yeah. What do you want to say?
Nothing.
Subscribe down below. Turn on post notifications. Hell yeah. Comment.
Hey,
Please.
Take a video.
Look at this crazy crackhead. Like, dude, why are we going? Rollins, why are we going through here? Bro, you can do that on your own. You know what? Camera guy ain't scared either. Like, we're both camera guys. I wouldn't go through there. I would not. In my life, bro. It's locked, dude. How do you think we're gonna get through that? I can't go through there at all. Up there, come on. Look, people. It says beware of a dog.
Well,
If it says it like
we gotta respect the zip tie, so.
True. Oops. Bro, they're so slow. They ain't tighten that junk up all the way. Come on. The road's back here again. On the road again.
You should do a video of you and your gator.
Okay, so next time, people, we will bring you on a fun little journey, and we have a little special surprise for you guys.
It's awesome.
So yeah, stay tuned. What I said, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment.
And leave a like.
Please. Oh God. So yeah,
Kidnapper.
just do that. Look, this guy's like, what the are these kids doing?
I don't know.
We can't, sorry, it's classified information.
Bye bye, everybody.
Peace. And next.